sir, I am Devendra Parmar from iConsult team. Sir, we are conducting an in-depth interview on one of the magazines, that is Right Choice. Can you please spare some time for us to give your views?
Sure.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Sir, before we start, I would like to know, have you heard about the name of this magazine, Right Choice?
Yeah, I have heard about it.
Okay, sir. Sir, what's your opinion on this magazine? Like, how do you find this magazine?
I came across few issues like last May. I went to Hyderabad, so it happened to me that I came across that issue, and I saw online. I am particularly using online version of the issue by today, so I find it quite insightful. It's like the way they have made a comparison of gadgets. Actually, I'm an electronics engineer, so I'm quite. I quite like using new gadgets. So I just feel that it's quite good.
And sir, what are your likes and dislikes about this magazine? Like, what are your likings?
The first thing I like about magazines is like a lot of variety of products we can see. Lot of means like I saw comparison shampoos also, gadgets also, cars also. So it's like they cover a lot of range of products in the issues. In a single issue I saw it's like even if you see the online version of it, you will come to know that it provides a lot of insights about a lot of products.
Okay.
Another thing I like about that magazine is there is no advertisement in it.
Okay.
So I think it is the only particular magazine that which doesn't give any kind of like promotions to this kind of advertisement. But somewhere I felt that there should be advertisement also.
Okay, sir, moving on to the next question, like in your experience, as you said, you are preferring online mode. So, like in future, what are your recommendations? Like you would like to go for the online only, or you want some other medium?
Since my college days, I used to buy cheap and digit magazines.
Okay.
So hard copies of that. The main particular reason for was that they provide CDs and DVDs with them. So, but in this case, it's like they don't have that kind of particular facility in that.
Okay.
So it's okay for me to get online version.
Okay. And sir, about the experiences, like any experience you would like to share, like which you find that this magazine you need to improve upon it?
I don't find anything such means like the magazine need to work on it like that. In fact, I'm waiting for the Diwali issue. Means like
Okay.
Particularly they have given a lot of things about that issue in the upcoming issue.
Okay.
So till now I didn't find anything that the magazine is missing in such.
Okay.
So in fact, I was switched from chip and digit to this. One thing I would like to see in this magazine is that they don't cover anything about games.
Oh.
So like if I want to have any comparison between the games ratings, so I find it like apart from that everything is there, but somewhere I miss that thing.
Okay.
So it's particularly like a gadget freak magazine.
Okay.
Like people will prefer to have some kind of like they compare gadgets, computers, laptops and everything. But
Okay.
they are missing I think on this part.
And sir, after reading this, you find whatever information in the magazine being useful for your purchases, like whenever you go for purchase or something like that?
Yeah, quite a handy. I can, in fact, it so happened that whenever I visit to mall, if I see that okay, this product is there. In fact, I came to know about a lot of products only because of this. So while going to a store also, we can have a good comparison of that, of price also. What is the competitive price? Maybe for local store charges a lot. And another thing, even I suggested few of my friends to have a look on it.
Okay, thank you so much, sir, for your time.
Okay.